there is basically no uncertainty left about whether the crisis is going to have a significant human development impact. What we find, for example, is that life expectancy may drop by about 3 months, and interestingly, this is driven entirely by male life expectancy. Female life expectancy doesn't change at all in response to changes in income growth. Also, there will be a lagged effect on unemployment, on poverty rates, on incidence of various diseases, and so on, and also infant mortality. All these are likely to be, for the region as a whole, quite negative. Policy response could usefully include the following elements. First, improve the data that is available for evidence-based policymaking, because there are very serious shortcomings in the existing data, both in terms of quality, but also in terms of the timeliness of the data. Second, rethink the role of the state. The state must be small so that it doesn't crowd out the private sector, yet there are some critical roles for it, such as regulation, that need to be done well so that growth can be sustained over a longer period of time. One more, policy action that could be very effective in addressing some of the human development impact, and in particular the poverty impact of the crisis, and that is to place much more emphasis on rural development. Much of poverty in our countries is rural. It's outside the large cities, and if we can help generate sustainable income generation, income streams for people in the rural areas, then we can actually mitigate the impact of the crisis quite effectively.